Hey everyone, it's Gianna at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a real quick update for the Cardano community, any developers out there, and any aspiring developers. It's never too late to learn a new skill. Here's the website. The project is called OpShin. It's a new programming language and toolchain for developing smart contracts on Cardano. What's special about it is it uses Python. Right now, about 25% of all projects on the internet use Python, but only 0.65% of all projects use Haskell. That's the native language for Cardano. It's a functional programming language. The issue is very few developers are proficient in Haskell, so this project will open up a lot of doors for more people. OpShin is 100% valid with Python 3. It has strong static typing with interference. It has intuitive coding the way you're used to. And you can do loops, custom types, recursion, and imports. It's focused on accessibility rather than complexity. OpShin gives quick and friendly feedback with helpful error diagnostics. They're supported by basically every IDE. They produce highly efficient code, and they interact with Python off-chain toolchains natively. With this tool, you can easily leverage the Python ecosystem. There's zero configuration with one single capable tool. They have unit tests, property-based tests, and formal verification, syntax highlighting, linting, and static analysis, and they're deeply integrated with PyCardano for transaction building. So you get the best of both worlds, both the Cardano and Python ecosystems. It's super quick to set up. A full example can be run in your browser, and if you need help, you can follow along on the OpShin Pioneer program, and they have a ton of community-built examples, tutorials, and a Discord. So definitely check out OpShin if you want to expand your tools on Cardano. I'll link their website down below. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends if you enjoyed this content. And I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!